you a Cub fan?
Oh, absolutely. Lifelong.
A diehard?
Diehard.
Who's pitching today?
I guess I'm not that diehard. You're talking to the wrong Cubs fan in our group here.
Who's our catcher? Oh, man. Wow. How do you spell Fukudomi?
F-U-K-U.
Hey, watch your language now. This is mouthpiecesports.com.
F-U-K-U-D-O-M-E.
Nice work, buddy. Can you spell Fukudomi?
F-U-K-U-D-O-M-E.
Congratulations, you're a big winner.
Thank you.
How do you spell Fukudomi?
I could phonetically spell it for you if you'd like, but I'll pass on air.
Do you know his first name? Let's hug it out. No hitting. Give him a hug, Ronnie.
Come here.
Beautiful.
Come here, give me a hug.
This is special right here. I'm crying.
It's okay.
I'm crying. Thank you. Thank you very much. It's coming together. I love it. That's love right there. Thanks, guys.